it spill anywhere?
Literally like 2 mil. Burning. It's been quite a bit.
Yeah, actually.
I soaked up with the wash pad.
So Ultimate Stance this weekend, and I really want to take my W124 to the show. It has cropped up in social media posts and stuff, but I don't think anyone actually knows that I own this car, and I just really want to take a classic Merc to a modified car show, because why not? So it was in pretty desperate need of a detail, because I've had it parked up for 2-3 months on my driveway, and it's gotten very cobwebby and very dirty and dusty, and it just needed a decent clean. And at the same time, I really wanted to do a video to show that you can still detail your car even if you don't own a pressure washer, or you don't have a driveway, or you don't have access to your own water supply and whatnot. You can still detail your car at a supermarket car wash. You know, the little DIY ones where you put the money in and it gives you like 5 minutes to wash your car. So that's pretty much what we did today. The beauty of this is you do not need a huge amount of products. You only need a handful of chemicals, a few accessories, and you're sorted. You don't need to have the full set of stuff. So even if you don't have a garage, you just need a little cupboard to store these items. So first things first is you obviously can't take your own snow foam lance, and you can't take snow foam because it won't connect to the lance at the supermarket pressure washer or whatnot. So the alternative is obvious. You have to take some citrus pre-wash, and the good thing with this is you can mix it up yourself before you leave home, and just take a 1 litre bottle with you, or a 500ml bottle with you. Secondly, you need something for the wheels and tyres, so my obvious weapon, wheel and tyre cleaner, and one of our little exterior brushes to do the face.
Your credit card. Please wait for confirmation. Thank you and goodbye.
Is it 7.5 minutes of water? What? Next thing, you need some shampoo and your 2 buckets. Now the beauty with our buckets, of course, is the lid. You can fill up the buckets at home in the kitchen sink or whatnot. Take your own water supply with you and take a wash pad. You don't really want to get there and start filling up, spending a $5 filling up 2 buckets, because that's what a fucking muppet would do. Take your own water with you beforehand. Seal it up, get it in the back of the car. Wash pad, then you just need some ceramic boost for some protection. Exterior detailer for that super glossy finish, and then a drying towel to dry it all up. As I said, you literally do not need many products as a lot of people would make you believe. But these products are really easy to use because they're so universal. You can use them like at home as an enthusiast, and even if you don't have a driveway or pressure washer and you're still into detailing, you can easily use these products away from home. It doesn't require super specific special technique. It doesn't require a specific environment to use them in. You can use them in any situation and you will get the same results as somebody detailing on their driveway. So it's important to keep in mind you do not have to have all of that, your own pressure washer, all of that. At the end of the day, it's down to your own technique and how you use the products to get the results you want. The only real thing we're getting extra at the supermarket is just having a pressure washer. Everything else is pretty much staying the same. The environment stays the same, your technique stays the same, it's just adding the pressure washer.